So you think you got too much play in your throwout bed and shift fork on your ZF-S5-42. Yes, I have made a bunch of videos on this transmission, and this is going to be another one because some people might be worried about these throwout beds and the play they have in the shift fork when assembling these for the first time. This is a used shift fork. It has a groove, I don't know if you can see it, wore down here, and that can affect this pivot sometimes. I mean, it's not a have to, but this is a factory 1995 shift fork, and this is a brand new throwout bell, just like the original. Your throwout bell does not go on like so. As you can see, it don't go on. It does go on, however, just like this, where it can move and twist and go in and out. And it has an excessive amount of play, and that's normal for these transmissions. Your pressure plate from your flywheel actually puts pressure on the shift fork like so. And you've got a flave cylinder, which is a hydraulic flave cylinder that puts pressure this end. So it's actually should stay quite always touching with pressure on it. It should never be doing that, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. Now I did pick up a new shift fork. This is more rounded, and this bearing does not set in this groove. Let's see if I can show you. See, this bearing sets perfectly in this groove, and it has no up and down play because it's wore and so forth. It can't. Now on this new one, if you can see, this bearing sets and it can pivot this way. It can move up and down if it needs to. This shift fork, it can't move up and down. It's got a groove from usage. Now when installing these shift forks, you want to make sure you grease this up good when it comes in contact with this bearing. And grease this inside this bearing and outside. Now other things, some people might be worried this bearing is offset if you look at it up here and you're spinning around, but these move a little because pressure plates do not all engage exactly at the same time sometimes, so these bearings is made to move just a little bit of play. You can see right here, and you can center it up. Let's see, about right there. I would call it about center. As you can see, it spins smooth. It'll spin smooth even if it's off right here. It's just the way it is, guys, so there's no need to panic. You can go ahead and install it just like so and not have to worry about it. Now on the other hand, I have seen bearings use a spring here that actually goes on here, and then a spring would put pressure on this, but this type of setup don't use that. So I hope you found this video and information helpful, because there ain't much on it, and some people might be worried about this. So if you did find it helpful, be sure to drop me a like and leave me a comment if you did. More likes and more comments helps this information to get to other people by YouTube's algorithm recommending it. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and check it out. And thank you for the support and for watching. See you on the next video.